What you say?
Here we are at the elevator at Cabela's.
Wow.
The shops.
You think she's gonna quit?
At Gateway. Here in Springfield, Oregon. At ThyssenKrupp Signa4. For 2011. High security. Let's go back down to 1. There's a staff area upstairs, which I'm not really that surprised, honestly. ThyssenKrupp Signa4. Plow. Door opens fast, which is getting nice. Let's close the door. It's a pretty nice elevator. High security. Signa4, obviously. Certificate on file in the building's office. And here we one. Mark them up.
That's a good plan. Listen, Oh, I don't. Yeah. Probably. Because I don't think.
There goes the elevator.
I don't think Juice goes to the office.
Don't regular like me, but yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.